And we were here, we talked about a possible target down here, down to this box. All right, so far so good. It's held. All right, and we want to hold a support line coming up through here, and keep trending to the upside. Now, as far as higher highs and higher lows, well, we had this high, this low, right? Lower high. Are we going to get the lower low, or is this correction in here about over? All right, let's zoom in on this and take a look. Now, as far as 5 waves down, all right, do we have, is this going on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 down, possibly towards that box right there, or did we have 5 waves right inside here? Let's zoom in on a 1 hour chart. All right, now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in there, right? And then you can also see right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside on this smaller time frame on the 1 hour. Now let's look for any kind of divergence here on the RSI. Right in here, we have this low and this low. Nothing really in there. The 1 hour is heading to the upside. We're going to see the higher time frames. All right, the 4 hour. 4 hour has turned to the upside. All right, that's good news. Good, nice green candle started. The 8 hour, we got this low. We have a higher low. Same thing on there. The 8 hour is headed to the upside at 28 and 25, and we have a nice green candle. 12 hour. Please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate it. And check out a level 3 membership. Definitely helps the channel out. We have over 200 members in there. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting. And you get a link to our Discord, all right, where we leverage trade over there. Right now is the time to make money in crypto. We have a huge alt season started. We're over there, doing well. So you miss some here and there. That's just part of the game. But leverage, you can, if you don't know what you're doing with leverage, don't mess with it. Okay, just a little tip. You don't want to do that. You want to learn what it's about before you go messing around. And if you do go over there and try low leverage first. 2x, 3x, whatever, before you move up. But we have over 200 people in our group, and we'd love to have you over there. So check it out if you would, please. The daily, no real bullish divergences in here. I don't see, but the daily is headed back up. All right, that's good news. Let's see what where we're at as far as a fib level on here. Go from our high to our low. All right, you can see we poked up through that 702. We're right in that zone to go. You know what I mean? It's close. All right, all the RSIs are pointing to the upside. Now we did not get this pullback down the whole way down here. All right, this has pulled back. Boy, oh boy, real close to a 50%. That would be great. But you can see why I put that there. That's the 618 and 702. That's your golden pocket. That's usually where you'll pull back to, unless you're starting on wave 1, 2 to the upside. This is very close to a 50% retracement here, which would be typical of a wave 2, the 382 to the 50%. Right now, I would probably put a pretty good guess. This thing is starting back to the upside in here. Right, that's on a daily chart or weekly. Let's take a look at the RSI on the weekly. The weekly is a 88 and an 87. Still looks good. Do we have a monthly? Yeah, monthly's bullish, a 21 and a 10. All right, you take a look at that chart on the monthly. This thing is definitely got higher highs coming. Higher prices coming for sure. You got a great support through there. I'm going to mark that while we're on the monthly here. All right, let's go back in here real quick. Looks like a lot of stuff out there is getting ready to go. All right, I would not be surprised one bit if a bottom has come in here for Kaspa. It is right in that area. All right, if it's going to go, it's in that area now. All right, on a 4-hour chart, It has hit a 618 Fibonacci. All right. You have all the RSIs turning to the upside. If it comes down here and it loses, 15.4, it starts getting down into and loses this support right here, then it's coming down to this box. As long as it holds up here and holds 15, above 15.4, um, that's good news for this thing. All right. Kaspa has looks like a one, two, three, four, done a smaller correction inside here and this down through here, and looks like it's possibly heading to the upside here. All right, like I said, keep an eye. That 15.4 is super important. Where could this thing be headed? If it is heading to the upside, let's put a fib on here and get some targets. All right, believe me, I want to see a swing to the upside also. No doubt about it. I hold quite a bit of Kaspa. Your first target would be up in this area here, and I believe we do have a run coming for everything here. This correction's lasted. As long as Bitcoin dominance keeps head to the downside. It was doing a back test of the break there, so that's what's been hurting the altcoins a little bit. It breaks through this level here. If it breaks through that, it could possibly be heading up here. All right, up to these levels up here, up towards that 20-21 cent. If it loses that 15.4, then you're coming down into this zone, down into there. All right, so far so good. It is holding up. I will keep a very close eye on this. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you more than you know. Small channel, so every view helps. And thank you again. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll be back very soon.